Hi, I'm Angela, and this is Aries, and I'm going to show you how to make a bird collage out of simple shapes. First, you're going to take a piece of paper from your pile. We're going to cut it into a circle. We're going to try to make a few different circles so we can mix them up and make different birds. Then we're going to take the circle, we're going to cut it in two, this, and now we're going to just curve the edge. You can also leave it in a boat shape as well. That also works. Take that, and we take this part here. So now you have like little raindrops. I'm going to put this in our pile, and we'll make a couple more of these. Same idea again. Different sizes. And then we have a variety of colors. Now we're going to need smaller circles for the heads. There's lots of color on this one, so I'm going to try to get another one. Have some color. And now we can maybe make another eye. We're going to need a smaller circle for the eye. And put it in our eyes pile. And we're going to need some triangles. Oh. You can make a couple different sizes for these ones because you can use them for beaks, you can use them for tail feathers. When you have a variety of colors picked out, then you can mix and match and start making your birds. So now we're going to start with the body. I'm going to use this one and your glue. And then we're going to pick out a wing, which is the same shape again. And just glue it on like that. And then you can pick out one of the circles you did for a head. Put it right under there. And you can glue it right onto the paper too. And next you can pick out one of your eyes that you cut out. And then you can pick out a beak. So pick out, use gold I'm gonna use the orange. And there you have a bird. And at this point you can add extra details. You can add the tail feather, or you can leave it like this. I'm going to use a little gold one. And if you want to add legs, all you have to do just cut a strip and cut it two. Legs. Strip. So then if you want to, you can add some ground. Something. You can use one of these too. Use this one. Just make a little for him to stand on. And there's a bird.